Darla here with Growing Tropical, and in today's video I am going to be creating a hot chocolate bar. Yum! I am so looking forward to this. I derived pretty much all of my inspiration for making this hot chocolate bar from my younger sister. She made the most adorable hot chocolate bar, and most of the things that are on her hot chocolate bar are little things that she actually made herself. I'm going to pop a few pictures of what her hot cocoa bar actually looks like, and it's just amazing, y'all, how we develop our inspiration from each other, and you can go as simple or as complicated as you want to. Now her pictures, like I said, that I've got up on the screen here that you guys hopefully are looking at, they're just absolutely adorable. The little things that she has just placed all over her little hot cocoa bar. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating my very own hot chocolate bar. And I just went and I bought just a bunch of various items, and I'm going to go ahead and just start setting it up. I'm going to put the camera here for you guys just to see as I create this, and then what we'll do is we'll come back and we'll take a look at everything all set up, and we'll talk a little bit about the items that I used. So what did you guys think of this little bar that came together? And if you want to add some warmth, some amaretto liqueur, isn't that a perfect idea on a really, really cool night? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to set this right here. And it was just that easy, just to set this little bar up in no time at all. So anyway, the coolest thing I think about this cart is the fact that we have a little kettle out here. This is a Black & Decker 1.7 liter kettle, and it actually is a rapid boil. So it within, I don't know, I plugged it in, and maybe about within 5 minutes it started boiling the water. and it sure will save a lot going in and out of the house and having to microwave each cup of hot chocolate. You've got it right here, right at your fingertips, and it sure is going to be just a wonderful thing out here for us this year. So anyway, I will drop the link to this actually in the bottom of the description of this video. So you guys, if you're interested in this, that you can actually click on this link. But a few of the other things on here were just, obviously you want to bring your mugs out here. We have marshmallows that are all ready. And I even bought this cute little, it's just a little snowman actually full of just ready powder hot cocoa mix that you can just kind of pour right into your mug. So I thought that was kind of cute. But on the bottom, you can see that there are actually packets here that we put in for you just to kind of easy peasy, just grab them right out of there and just dump them into your mug. But over here we have a little plate of the cutest little candy cane spoons. They're all individually wrapped, so they won't, we're out here under our pool cabana, so they won't go get weathered or anything like that by being individually wrapped. And then we also have, these are, actually I think these were like little swizzle sticks, if I'm not mistaken, chocolate covered peppermint sticks actually is what these guys are. And they're just really kind of cute, individually wrapped as well. And then of course we have peppermint bark, which I did not open yet, but I cannot wait to get my hands on this. As a matter of fact, let's just pop it open and see what's inside here. I love peppermint bark. Ooh, look at this. Just individually wrapped peppermint bark. Ooh, they smell so good. So there you have it, y'all. A cute, simple little hot cocoa bar right at your fingertips. A little amaretto or whatever other type of little maybe liqueur that you have to complete your evening. So now all we need is a warm cozy blanket and a good movie, and we are all set. So you guys, until the next video, bye for now.